Hi, I'm Teacher Liz. This is Quarter 2, Module 1 of Grade 10 Science. Module 1 is about electromagnetic waves. The most essential learning competency for this module is to compare the relative wavelengths of different forms of electromagnetic waves. Ang module na to ay may tatlong lessons. Una, the nature of electromagnetic waves. Pangalawa, the proponents of electromagnetic theory. At pangatlo, the wavelengths and frequencies of electromagnetic waves. For lesson 1, we are going to talk about the nature of electromagnetic waves. We have three objectives for this lesson. First is to define what an electromagnetic wave is. Second is to describe how EM waves are produced and propagated. And third is to explain some properties of electromagnetic waves. Pero bago ang lahat, magbibigay muna tayo ng pre-test. Magbibigay ako ng ilang pangungusap at kayo ay sasagot ng agree kung kayo ay sumasang-ayon o disagree naman kung kayo ay hindi sumasang-ayon. Okay, let's go. A wave is a disturbance that transfers energy. I-pause muna ang video na to ng 10 seconds para sagutin ang statement. Alright, second. Electromagnetic waves transfer energy through a vacuum. Again, pause for 10 seconds. Third, a moving electric charge is surrounded by an electric field and a magnetic field. Pause for 10 seconds. Fourth, most EM waves have the same speed. Pause for 10 seconds. And fifth, EM waves travel at the speed of 3 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Pause. Okay, salamat sa pagsagot. Babalikan natin ang mga statements na to at the end of our video lesson. Paano nga ba tayo nakakasend at nakaka-receive ng text messages sa ating cellphone? Paano tayo nakakapagpatugtog ng ating paboritong kanta mula sa ating cellphone gamit ang isang Bluetooth speaker? At paano kaya nakaka-travel ang energy mula sa Sun papuntang Earth gayong ganito sila kalayo sa isa't isa? Iisa lang ang sagot sa mga katanungang ito. Ang mga bagay na ating nabanggit ay gumagamit ng tinatawag nating electromagnetic waves. Sa lesson na to, sasagutin natin ang mga sumusunod na katanungan. Una, what are EM waves? Pangalawa, how are EM waves produced? At pangatlo, what are some properties of EM waves? Maaari niyong isulat ang mga katanungan ito sa inyong notebook at sagutin as we go along the video. First question, what are EM waves? Para masagot yan, kailangan muna nating ma-define what are waves. Waves are disturbances that transfer energy from one place to another without transferring matter. A common example of a wave is when we move this rope up and down. Energy travels from our hand to the rope, creating a wave pulse. Sa case na to, yung lubid ang ating medium na siyang nagtatransmit o nagdadala ng wave. Other examples of waves are ocean waves, sound waves, and stadium waves. These waves transfer energy by making the particles of matter move. The energy is passed along from particle to particle as they collide with their neighbors. Ang mga ganitong waves na nangangailangan ng medium para makapag-transfer ng energy ay tinatawag na mechanical waves. Mechanical waves are waves that require a medium to transfer energy. Pero maaari rin namang makapaglipat o makapagdala ng enerhiya ng walang material medium na ginagamit. Examples nito ay radio waves, visible light, and X-ray. Ang mga wave na ito na hindi nangangailangan ng medium ay tinatawag na electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are waves that do not require a medium to transfer energy. They transfer energy even in vacuum or empty space. Now that we know what EM waves are, let's talk about how are EM waves produced? And that is our question number 2. Ang EM waves ay binubuo ng electric and magnetic fields. Napoproduce ang EM waves kapag ang mga charged particle, gaya ng electron, ay gumagalaw ng back and forth o pabalik-balik. Okay, let's consider this electron. Ang mga charged particle gaya ng electron ay napapalibutan ng electric field. Halimbawa, meron tayong isang wire o kawad na may electric current o kuryente. Ang electron na dumadaloy sa wire ay gumagalaw ng back and forth o sa Ingles, oscillating or vibrating. At dahil oscillating ang charge na to, it produces a magnetic field around the charge. Ibig sabihin, ang charged particle na gumagalaw ay napapalibutan ng parehong electric field and magnetic field na siyang nagpropagate sa space. The electric and magnetic field in an electromagnetic wave vibrate perpendicular or 90 degrees to each other. EM waves are also called electromagnetic radiation because they radiate from the electrically charged particles. So alam na natin kung paano napoproduce ang electromagnetic waves. Our final question would be, what are some properties of EM waves? Una, they do not require any material or medium for propagation, which was clearly discussed a while ago. Second is that they are produced by accelerated or oscillating charges na ipinakita rin natin sa mga naunang slides. And third is that EM waves travel in vacuum at the speed of 3 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Ang speed na to ay parehong speed ng light sa vacuum. Kaya nga, sabi rin natin, light is a form of electromagnetic wave. Question, can we make the speed of light faster? The answer is no. The speed of light is the ultimate speed limit. Nothing can travel faster than the speed of light in vacuum. Pero, can we make this slower? The answer is yes, when it travels through a material medium like glass or water. And that is the third property of electromagnetic waves. They travel in free space at the speed of 3 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Here is a question for your reflection log. Sagutin ito sa inyong notebook. How are EM waves important in everyday life? Para masagot to, tukuyin niyo ang mga bagay na nagagamit natin araw-araw na nag-i-emit o nag-transmit ng EM waves at alamin natin ano ba ang importansya o kahalagahan ng mga bagay na yun. Pause for 3 minutes para masagot ang question na to for your reflection log. And so we are now down to our post-test. Ang post-test na to ay merong 5 items, and each item you will have to complete the statement with the correct concept. So let's start. First, a wave is a disturbance that transfers energy without moving blank. Pause for 10 seconds. Next, A blank is an empty space or free space. Pause the video for 10 seconds. Third, electromagnetic waves are created by blank charged particles. Pause. Fourth, the electric field and magnetic field vibrate blank 90 degrees to each other. Pause. And last item, EM waves travel at the speed of blank meters per second. Take a pause. Finally, let's revisit the pre-test we had a while ago. Aalamin natin kung tayo ay dapat bang mag-agree or disagree sa following statements. At dyan nagtatapos ang Lesson 1, The Nature of Electromagnetic Waves. Up next is Lesson 2, Proponents of Electromagnetic Theory. Just click the link above to watch the next video lesson. Bye!